If you want a venison cream cheese dish made in the Instant Pot that's going to knock your socks off, you've come to the right place. Ingredients and recipe are in the description. First things first, heat up some salted water to boiling and throw in your bow ties or pasta of choice. Heat up your Instant Pot with the saute feature, add some oil and a heaping tablespoon of minced garlic. I've got some venison stew meat that I chopped up a little bit smaller, and then I've got some Brussels sprouts that I will fry in a pan with some bacon and butter. That will be great. Let's toss this into our heated up Instant Pot along with our garlic. Danger. Danger, Will Robinson. Oh yeah, totally not working. I have definitely overcrowded the venison, so I've got a little bit of a brown going on with them. In a perfect world, you would do a couple batches, right? So if you're in a hurry, do it like me. If you're not, then do it in batches. I'm going to add some chicken stock, probably about 2 cups. I also have a pack of French onion soup mix I'm going to put on top and stir in. And you can never go wrong with some bacon, so I'm going to put that in as well. Stir that all up. We'll do pressure cook for 15 minutes. Once the pasta is tender, you want to drain that off and hit it with some cold water. And Oliver helped me cut up the bacon and make all the Brussels sprouts. If you want your bacon more crispy, then cook it a bit longer before you add the Brussels sprouts. We make our Brussels sprouts cook a little bit faster by adding a bit of water to the pan and covering it with a lid. And don't forget to add some butter and salt and pepper. This recipe calls for a whole brick of cream cheese, so I like to cut it up into little squares so it melts a little bit easier. Oh, looks good. Smells amazing. Now would be the time to add that whole brick of cream cheese and whatever cream soup you want. I use cream of celery, but cream of mushroom would do just fine. We're gonna stir it up and maybe we'll add some cream. We'll see how it goes. Because I had so much liquid still in my pot, I didn't add any more cream. I just added some cheese and then I thickened it up a little bit with a cornstarch slurry. So you can kind of play around with that a bit, but man, it was so good. My family loved it. I really hope you have fun making this venison Instant Pot recipe.